Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today I thought that I would share a day in the life video, a little casual day in the life video. We have been here in our new house for about 3 weeks and there's been quite a lot to get used to. You know, moving is so fun, it's exciting, but what can come along with it too can be quite a bit of uneasiness and even some anxiety, just being in a totally new environment and getting used to your surroundings and just being in a totally new place. And so I thought that what I would do today is kind of take you through my day and some of the things that help me feel my best, help us feel our best, that are just kind of part of our daily routine that we're trying to get back into the rhythm of. I'm gonna start by doing a couple of dishes in the kitchen to tidy things up a little bit. And then I'm gonna make myself a tea just so that I can chill out, kind of ground myself before I start the rest of my day. I've been getting used to using a gas stove as opposed to electric, so that's been new for me. Let me know in the comments below if you use gas or if you use electric. It is growing on me. Something that is very much a part of my routine that I've just been trying to pick back up again now that we've moved into a new house is making my tea in the morning when I first get up, making a nice tea and sitting and enjoying it before I kind of start the rest of my day. Also doing journaling, as you guys all know because I talk about it, I feel, in so many of my videos, but I like to journal most mornings, not every morning, but a lot of the time. And it just gives me that time to just sit with myself, just collect my thoughts. So I'm just gonna sit here for a little while, drink my tea, and then I'm gonna make delicious breakfast. This is one of my favorite breakfasts to make. It's really, really easy. I've been craving Greek yogurt, so that's why I've been enjoying it. It's basically just mashed banana, mashed raspberries, and some ground flaxseed on top. Super easy, but so good. So here it is. It is not that beautiful looking. It's literally just some mashed fruit with a bunch of Greek yogurt and some ground flaxseed. Not super pretty, but so good. I just love eating this. I'm just sitting down to have some lunch now. I'm having a nice little egg sandwich with some spinach on it. Delicious, on some sprouted bread. I got a little bit out of my supplement regime over the past few weeks just because of how busy we were, but it's nice to kind of get back into taking them again. I'm taking a B complex and I'm also taking a probiotic. They actually look identical, but they are different. My B complex is by AOR. This is their advanced B complex. And then I've got a probiotic. This one's by Seed. So we are out for our daily walk, which is a very big part of our everyday routine. And it's also been a really great way for us to get to know our new neighborhood and new surroundings. But we found some really beautiful trails around our house that we are loving. So this walk takes us about, I would say, This walk takes us about 40 minutes or so, I would say. 45 minutes. Is that how long it takes, Sean? 45 minutes. Yeah. So it's a really good walk for us to go on in the afternoon. Breaks up our day a little bit, but sometimes we'll do it in the evening as well. This is my favorite part of the walk. It's a nice big hill, really good for some cardio, gets your heart pumping. All right, we are back and definitely in need of rehydrating after that walk because it's so hot outside today. So got my big bottle of water. I'm gonna sip on this and just continue with doing some work for the day. Check out this beautiful evening light that we've got going on. This house has so many windows and we just get a lot of light from different directions. But let me show you our updated powder room. Finally got to paint this room. It was so dark in here. The paint was really dark and it just really needed to be freshened up. So this is White Dove by Benjamin Moore and it's just looking so nice. Got some greenery in here. I still need to hang up some hand towel racks in here, but yeah, it just feels so much more fresh. And so little things like this are really helping us to feel more settled in that we're, you know, starting to make this house feel like ours. And these nice new handles, it just feels nice to freshen up the space a little bit more. So it is dinner time and one of the things that is so nice is getting back into the swing of cooking more homemade meals. You know, when you're really busy with moving and if you're like us also getting married in the same week, yeah, it's just, that's usually just thrown out the window. We definitely, you know, we're eating out more and that, which we love doing anyway, but getting out of the swing of things like that is sometimes they can get a little old. So it's been nice to start to just cook more homemade meals again. And one of the things that I find to be the most helpful with cooking, you know, meals regularly and just making that be a pretty consistent habit is with meal planning, which is something that I've done for probably like a year and a half now. So you know, on the weekends, we will write out the meals that we want to cook for the week, and then we'll grocery shop based on those meals and those ingredients. This is my meal plan here. This is a template that I created, that I printed out and laminated as well. And yeah, so I just kind of go based on what I've written out. Sometimes I'll switch up like maybe like what I cook depending on the day, but for the most part, this is what it looks like. And I'm usually more specific with dinner meals than I am breakfast and lunch. But I just kind of have it all written out and then we have all the ingredients that we need and it just makes life so much easier. If you want to learn more about meal planning, I do have a meal planning mini course that you can also download these templates in that course, and we talk all about meal planning and how to get started with it and how to build a balanced meal, all kinds of good stuff. So I'll leave that linked below if you want to learn more. I'm going to do Dijon salmon tonight for dinner. I'll also leave the recipe below to the glaze that I use, but it's just maple syrup and grainy mustard, and then I kind of whisk that together with some olive oil and I put it over the salmon, and we're going to do some broccoli, some veggies, and some rice as well. So I'm gonna end this video here. Thanks so much for watching, for tagging along with me today in this little day in the life. Getting back into the swing of things with our routine and things that just make us feel good. But we're definitely starting to feel more and more settled, but it definitely takes time. It definitely takes time to become more familiar with your surroundings and just feel like your routine is back to normal. So we are gonna watch some more Stranger Things, which is something that we have been watching. Sean has actually seen all 3 seasons, but I've never seen it before. So we're on season 2. Have you seen Stranger Things? so good. Such a good show. So yeah, we're just gonna chill out, watch some of that, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.